doing well. Today we are going to see how the DOM XSS is, and let's solve the PortSwigger lab. And here is the quick cheat sheet of DOM XSS. DOM means document object model. So I will explain it in simple. Like DOM XSS is the vulnerability where the input is handled entirely in the browser in the JS, and it will not execute or even being sent to the server. That is DOM XSS. But coming to the stored XSS or reflected XSS, it is completely different. Like reflected XSS is the payload handled by the server, and it will respond back in the browser. But stored XSS is little different, where the JS payload is saved in the database in the server side. That is the difference between DOM and reflected and stored. Let's see how we're gonna solve this PortSwigger lab. So here it is already mentioned DOM XSS in the document.write sync using source location.search. Let's see how we're gonna solve it. So sync in the sense, where is the actual attack surface? So here it was already mentioned location.search. That means here it is. So let's search for phone, and here we got one of the search result. Let's see the browser console after all. And here this is the location where the script is getting executed, document.write. Here if you see, it is in the image source, and here is the query. What is the query? Yeah, here it is the one. Phone is the one we have searched for, so we need to execute the payload. Let's see how this one going to affect in the JS. Okay, if you see here, hyphen also getting added here, so we need to close this one. Now if you see, the image source is completely closed. Now let's execute our payload. What's the question? To solve this, let's perform the cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function. Okay. So if here we can see there is a pop-up. That means our payload got executed successfully. Let's see how this one is there in the script side in the JS browser JS. So if you see, this script got executed. That means our lab got solved.